In a dumpster, where does most of the water, liquid waste, and moisture end up? At the bottom. So it's no surprise that waste and recycling haulers will replace a rusted out container bottom 2 to 3 times during the life of an average container. But what if we told you you'd never have to replace another rusted out bottom on your containers? That's right, no more rusted out bottoms. Introducing Dura-Bottom from Impact, the replacement bottom system that won't rust or corrode, saving you money in repair costs over the life of the container. The Dura-Bottom system allows you to replace a rusted out bottom with a high-density polyethylene plastic bottom unit to withstand the use and abuse of a traditional steel bottom. When a corroded container comes in for repair, remove the old bottom as you normally would. But instead of welding on a normal steel bottom that's destined to fail again, you weld our metal flange around the perimeter of the container. With the flange installed, you simply run a bead of caulk around the Dura-Bottom and bolt it to the flange for a durable, leak-proof attachment. Not sure about a plastic bottom? The Dura-Bottom is made with high-density polyethylene with engineered ribbing throughout the part and has been drop tested from 3 feet with 1,000 pounds. Besides never worrying about rusted out bottoms again, here are some other ways Dura-Bottom saves you money. Standardization. No more costly custom bottoms to fit odd-sized containers. The Dura-Bottom comes in 8 standard sizes that will cover most 3-yard to 10-yard containers. Freight. The Dura-Bottom is 40% lighter than a steel bottom, making it much less expensive to ship and easier to handle. Customization. Just like a steel bottom, you can add casters and drain holes to the Dura-Bottom. So if you're tired of the never-ending parade of rusted out bottoms coming into your shop and want to get more life from your container by spending less, ask your Impact sales representative about the Dura-Bottom system today.